it's Jill, founder of Kids Baking Club, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing sweet holiday bread to give to family and friends or for yourself. It's called our Cranberry Orange Holiday Bread. First of all, have you subscribed to our channel? If you have not, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always get new recipes which we're posting all the time. And don't forget to like this as well. So let me show you the ingredients and then let me show you step by step how to make this holiday bread. Don't forget to print this recipe by going to kidsbakingclub.com, click the blog, and there you will find this recipe. Let's get started. So first we're going to add the dry ingredients. So first we're going to add the 2 cups of all-purpose flour, the 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to mix that all together. Now we're going to stir in our orange zest. Go ahead and stir that really well. Get that all mixed together. You want it to attach to the flour. Now we're going to add in our cranberries, fresh cranberries. You can use frozen cranberries, just make sure they're defrosted before you put them in here. Then stir those cranberries together. Now that we've mixed all the dry ingredients together, let's go ahead and add the wet ingredients. Going to add your egg. Whisk that together real quickly. Now stir in your melted butter. Make sure it's been cooled, not to cook the eggs again. Now add your 1 cup of sugar. Now add the juice of 1 orange. Now that the wet ingredients are done, we're going to fold those into the dry ingredients. Okay, now we're going to add in our wet ingredients. So now we're going to pour this into a baking pan that's been lined with parchment paper. Spread your dough into a baking pan lined with parchment paper or really well oiled so that it pops out after it bakes. This is going into the oven at 350 degrees for about an hour. And now it's ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Hey, and if you're not a member of Kids Baking Club, just go to kidsbakingclub.com, click the join the club, and then find out how you can get one of our amazing baking kits to share with the family. It's the best fun activities you will ever have. You want to brighten up your kids' day? Get them one of the baking kits. Well, thanks for joining me today. I cannot wait to hear how amazing this recipe turned out, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.